Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, kindly do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button and like this video. Please, I beg you, subscribe. Today, we are preparing fried rice, and here are some ingredients chopped. You have chopped carrots, spring onion, liver, red, green, and yellow bell peppers, sweet corn, green peas, onion, and garlic and ginger. So I'll be showing you how I chopped some of these ingredients. First of all, I chopped my spring onion, and this is how I went about it. So in case you don't know how to do that, this is a shorter version to put you through how to get that nice beautiful carrot shape you want for your fried rice. So this is my carrot. You should know something about fried rice, that anytime you want to prepare fried rice, you should get ready to chop things. Or if you do not want to chop things, then you should get ready to buy a frozen vegetables. But as for me, I prefer buying them and chopping it myself. So this is liver, and for this liver you have to boil it. You have to cook it, let it boil, then you bring it out and slice it into smaller pieces. You make sure it is beautiful and nice. Oh wow. And now is the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. I'm slicing all together. This is a way to just go about the slicing to get that very beautiful shape you want for your fried rice. There you go. And then the onion. I actually love using organic onion. You can use purple onion and any of your choice. So here are the ingredients that you can see well sliced. Then move to our chicken. I'll be steaming the chicken because for fried rice you need the chicken broth. So I'm steaming it with my garlic, ginger, curry powder, mixed seasoning, and cubes, chicken cubes, and don't forget to add some salt. I added some water because I need the chicken broth for my fried rice. The water should have been smaller than this if I'm using it for something else, but because I need it to prepare the fried rice. So now let's move on to the fried rice. Get your pot, pour some amount of oil in it. I'm using sunflower oil for mine. Then you fry the rice. Fry the rice a little bit. Fry it a little bit. I love using sunflower oil. You can choose to use vegetable oil or olive oil. So fry the rice a little bit. As you can see that the rice color has changed a bit, and I'm adding the chicken broth to it. Add the chicken broth to it and add some water, additional water. It shouldn't be too much so that your rice wouldn't gum together. I've been thinking about my story. Now it's time to fry the rice. Pour some reasonable amount of oil into a pan. Then you pour your liver into the pan. You fry the liver a little bit. Make sure it's a little bit brown. Should be a little bit brownish in color. Then you add other vegetables. So the next vegetable I'm adding is the carrots. You fry the carrots as well with it. You add your bell peppers in different colors to it. Your onion, I use organic onion. Mix them together, fry them a little bit on fire. Add some garlic and ginger. Then add your sweet corn and the green peas. Mix this together as you keep on frying it in the pan. Mix it together. Then mix your seasoning. In this seasoning I have chicken seasoning cubes, I have mixed seasoning cubes, and I have some salt and some curry powder. So mix them together, then pour your spring onion, and now you stir fry. I choose to add some eggs. This is actually optional. If you do not like eggs, no problem. I added some eggs into these veggies because I love it that way. Now, as you can see, it's fried. Pour the cooked rice. Pour your cooked rice in these veggies and get ready to stir them together. And your fried rice is almost ready. Ooh, wow. I think you should give this a try. Voila! Our fried rice is ready. Serve yourself with your chicken. I fried the chicken. I didn't show how I did that, but then you can just fry your chicken after that and serve yourself with some cool chews. Oh my god! Ooh, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video.